This video shows John B. diagnosing quite accurately a bad evaporator fan motor on a GE Cafe bottom freezer fridge.
Alright, so we have a GE Cafe fridge, French door, and it's not cooling properly. The symptoms for this fridge: it'll be cold down here in the crisper drawers and on the bottom shelves. Oftentimes it'll freeze things down here, but you won't get any cooling up here. Most of the time, it's the evaporator fan back here. So we'll pull this shelf off. Pull these connectors out. Okay. This shelf comes off. Then you'll have to pull these covers off. Get the wires out of the way. Alright. And the connector for the fan is back here. Just pull that cover off. Now, you can test it with a multimeter at the connector. Put it on DC volts. Now, if I remember correctly, red to black should give us around 13 volts. Just pull this off. And we see it does. I believe black to yellow is the PWM signal, which it is. You should be looking for, I believe, between 3 and 5 volts. So that's good. But we have no fan noise, no air moving. What I like to do here is get the new fan, plug it in and see if it works. Keep your finger.
So the new fan works perfectly, and it's time to take the covers off and take that old fan out, put the new fan in, tidy up, put the thing back together, and everything's fine. You're done.